Hey guys, it's Mike from Risko Music, and I want to show you a handful of techniques to make your chord progressions sound a little more interesting. One of them would be slash chords. A slash chord is where you see two letters with a slash in the middle. So for example, G/B means that the first letter, G, is the chord you play, then there's a slash, and then the second letter is the bass note or the lowest note you would play in your chord voicing. So here's a regular G chord. If I just play it from here with the B in the bass, it sounds a little different. Instead of this, so that's G/B. Another thing you can add is suspended chords. So if I play a C chord, the way you do is create a suspended chord is you find the third. So in C, E, the note E where my second finger is the third. I raise it half step to F, back to the third, then I take it off, that's a sus2. I can also walk up to chords and pick the notes out, alright? And the way you strum, all of these things make the chord progression sound a little more interesting. So let's play C, G, A minor, F, alright? So here's a regular way to do it. C, G. Lots of songs, this progression. Okay, now here we go. C. See, it creates a nice movement, right? A minor. G/B, A minor, F sus4. Give it a try. Thanks.